Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking, offering a healthier and more convenient alternative to traditional frying. These versatile appliances can mimic the crispiness of deep-fried foods with only a fraction of the oil, making them popular in modern kitchens. But did you know that the concept of air frying has come a long way since its origins? From the bulky whirlwind oven of the 1940s to the sleek, efficient appliances, air fryers have undergone a fascinating transformation. Today, air fryers are not just for making fries or wings, they're incredibly versatile, capable of preparing a wide variety of surprising dishes. In this video, we will look at the history of air fryers, their evolution, and some unexpected foods you can cook in them. The earliest version of an air fryer was the whirlwind oven, created by William Maxon in the 1940s. Unlike the compact, lightweight countertop models we use today, the whirlwind oven was a heavy, bulky appliance weighing about 35 pounds. Initially designed for use in airplanes and homes, its primary purpose was to reheat and cook frozen meals efficiently. However, it had significant limitations compared to modern air fryers. It could only heat up to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, far lower than today's models, which typically reach temperatures between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The whirlwind oven was not a common household appliance, and it took decades for air fryer technology to develop into something widely available. The air fryer, as we know it today, was introduced in 2010 by Philips, the company that coined the term air fryer. It was designed to simulate deep frying with minimal oil. This innovation transformed the air fryer from a reheating tool into a versatile kitchen appliance, capable of preparing a wide variety of dishes. Air fryers today are incredibly versatile. While they're great for classic fried foods like fries and nuggets, they can do so much more. Here are some unexpected dishes you can make in an air fryer. You can cook hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer without water. Simply preheat the air fryer, then place your eggs inside, and cook to your preference by adjusting the time. Sausage rolls can be easily made in an air fryer, resulting in a crispy pastry that's perfect for snacks or appetizers. Fluffy Yorkshire puddings in an air fryer? Yes, it's possible. They're a perfect side for your Sunday roast without the need for traditional baking. Homemade bagels have never been simpler. Skip the boiling step, just shape, season, and air fry for a chewy, golden finish. For those seeking a healthier option, air fryers can give tofu a deep-fried texture with minimal oil, making it a perfect protein source for any dish. Individual servings of fruit crumble can be whipped up quickly in an air fryer, offering a warm dessert option without heating up your whole kitchen. Rich, gooey-centered chocolate fondants are easy to bake in an air fryer, creating a professional-quality dessert at home. Items like frozen dumplings and pizza rolls cook quickly and evenly in an air fryer, providing a crispy texture without additional oil. Both homemade and store-bought cinnamon rolls bake beautifully in an air fryer, perfect for a quick and delicious breakfast. Air fryers can roast nuts to perfection, enhancing their flavor while keeping them crunchy. Wrap fish in parchment paper and air fry for a combination of steaming and roasting, resulting in tender, flavorful fillets. Surprisingly, you can make creamy mac and cheese directly in the air fryer, offering a comforting dish without much fuss. Air fryers make it easy to achieve the perfect grilled cheese with a crispy exterior and melted interior. For a healthier dessert, try air-fried bananas sprinkled with cinnamon and nuts. Serve them warm with yogurt or ice cream for a delicious treat. You can create s'mores by toasting marshmallows and melting chocolate in the air fryer, perfect for indoor treats. In essence, while the basic principle of using circulating hot air remains the same, modern air fryers have evolved significantly in terms of design, efficiency, and functionality compared to their early predecessors. Air fryers have evolved from niche appliances into essential kitchen tools, offering a healthier way to cook and a surprising range of versatility. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack, experimenting with desserts, or preparing traditional dishes in new ways, the air fryer proves that modern technology can make cooking both innovative and accessible. Its ability to create diverse dishes with minimal oil has cemented its place in kitchens around the world. What surprising dish will you try in your air fryer next? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Before you go, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.